Let me begin with something powerful. Most people think energy fades because of age, but the truth is different. Your body's wired to stay strong, active, and energetic, even in your 60 seconds, 70 seconds, and beyond if you give it the right fuel. And today, I want to show you 3 simple teas that can literally wake up your cells, strengthen your legs, and rebuild the energy you thought you lost. So, stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll learn how nature has placed extraordinary medicine inside a cup of tea. And once you know this, your mornings, your walks, and even your confidence can completely transform. Your body can rebuild strength at any age because it is biologically designed for renewal, not decline. Even after 60, 70, or 80, your muscles still respond to nourishment, movement, and improved blood flow. What many people don't realize is that aging does not shut down your ability to grow stronger. Your body simply becomes more selective about what it needs. And when you give it the right signals, the change begins almost immediately. There is something incredibly empowering about knowing that your strength is not determined by your years, but by how you support your biology today. The human body is constantly replacing old cells, repairing damaged tissues, and forming new blood vessels. This silent rebuilding system works for you every single day, whether you notice it or not. And with the right foods, especially natural ingredients found in teas, you can accelerate this healing process and unlock energy you thought you had lost. One of the most inspiring things science has shown us is that muscles do not lose the ability to grow. They only need oxygen-rich blood, proper nutrients, and reduced inflammation to perform at their best. When your circulation improves, your legs feel lighter. When oxygen reaches your muscles, your steps become stronger. When inflammation goes down, the stiffness that slows you disappears. Imagine starting your morning with something as small as a warm cup of tea and feeling a wave of energy move through your body. That simple habit is enough to activate the biological pathways responsible for muscle repair and improved endurance. Seniors who introduce natural compounds from green tea, ginger, or hibiscus often feel a noticeable difference within a few weeks. It's not magic, it's cellular science working in your favor. There is a moment in your wellness journey when you realize you have more control over your strength than you thought. That moment can be life-changing. Think about this. Every time you make a healthy choice, your body responds. Every sip of a circulation-boosting tea, every step you take, every anti-inflammatory ingredient you consume sends a message to your muscles. The message is simple: rebuild. And your body listens. It begins repairing micro tears in muscle fibers. It clears out stored inflammation. It improves the flexibility of your blood vessels. These processes do not fade with age. They continue as long as you support them. That means your legs can become stronger, your balance can improve, and your stamina can rise, even if you are far past the age society labels as old. If you could look inside your body, you would see tiny blood vessels carrying life to your muscles. You would see mitochondria, the engines of your cells, waking up and producing cleaner, stronger energy. You would see inflammation calming down, allowing your joints to move freely. This is what happens when you nourish your biology. And it doesn't matter whether you are 40 or 80, these systems stay alive, ready, and responsive. Many seniors discover they can walk faster, climb stairs more confidently, or stand up from a chair with greater ease simply by improving what they feed their body. It is never too late because your body never stops listening. The belief that strength fades permanently is outdated. Modern science tells a different story. Strength is not lost, it is reactivated. So when you think about your age, remember this truth. Your body is capable, intelligent, and eager to rebuild. It has not given up on you. It has not slowed down. It has only been waiting for the right nourishment. When you support your biology supports you back with strength, energy, and the resilience you deserve. Small daily habits create big results because your body responds more powerfully to consistency than intensity. Most people believe dramatic changes require dramatic effort, but your biology works differently. It thrives on signals repeated day after day, gentle, steady, reliable inputs that gradually reprogram your cells, your energy, and your strength. Something as simple as drinking a cup of the right tea each morning may feel insignificant, but inside your body, it can set off a chain reaction that elevates your health in ways you didn't expect. These small choices create momentum. They begin to shift inflammation, improve circulation, and activate natural recovery pathways. Before you realize it, you are walking with more confidence, waking up with better energy, and feeling the return of strength you thought you had lost. That is the quiet power of small habits. They don't demand much effort, but they deliver meaningful change. There is a moment when you start a new habit that feels uneventful. You take a sip of green tea, you warm your body with ginger, or you add hibiscus to your routine, and nothing looks different on the outside. But inside, your blood vessels are opening, your metabolism is igniting, your cells are waking up. You may not feel it on the first day or the second, but your biology is already responding. And this is where most people underestimate themselves. They give up too early, thinking nothing is happening, when in reality, the body is preparing for a breakthrough. The first steps of healing are quiet. They happen without noise, without dramatic signs. But if you stay consistent, the shift becomes visible, your legs become lighter, your breathing becomes easier, and your energy returns in a way that feels almost surprising. It's the same principle your muscles use to grow. Repetition, not force, not pressure, just consistency. 1 cup a day may not look powerful, but the science behind it is natural compounds found in these teas reduce oxidative stress, support endothelial cells that line your blood vessels, and enhance the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. When you repeat this daily, your body begins stacking these benefits. Day after day, you build stronger circulation. Day after day, inflammation lowers. Day after day, your metabolism becomes more efficient. These layers of improvement eventually combine into noticeable results that change how you move, how you feel, and how you age. Imagine the feeling of walking without stiffness, climbing stairs without hesitation, or waking up with a sense of renewed energy. These experiences are not reserved for the young. They are earned through the simple act of showing up for your body every day. There is something deeply empowering about knowing that your future strength is shaped not by big efforts, but by small decisions. When you choose a healthier drink, when you nourish your body instead of overwhelming it, when you repeat a supportive habit consistently, you take control of your health in a way that is sustainable and effective. Your body does not need perfection. It needs repetition. And each time you choose the habit, again, you reinforce the message, keep healing, keep strengthening, keep renewing. This message activates biological pathways that stay active throughout your life. That's why even seniors who introduce these small daily rituals notice steady improvements over time. They discover that progress is not measured by how hard you push, but by how often you show up. Consistency turns small actions into powerful transformations. A single cup of tea can't change your life, but a daily cup can. A single healthy choice can't rebuild strength, but repeated choices can. This is the secret many people miss. Your body doesn't need dramatic change. It needs dependable support. And when you give it that support, it rewards you with better energy, stronger legs, and a renewed sense of confidence in your own abilities. Healing starts when you feed your biology, not your fears, because your body is constantly communicating with you. Every cell is listening, every tissue is adapting, and every system is designed to respond to the choices you make. When you focus on worry, doubt, or limitation, your mind becomes heavy and your progress slows. But the moment you shift your attention toward nourishment, renewal, and positive daily actions, your body reacts with remarkable strength. This transformation doesn't begin outside. It starts inside your bloodstream, inside your cells, inside the quiet intelligence of your biology. What you feed your body becomes the foundation of how you feel, how you move, and how you age. When you choose foods and teas that reduce inflammation, strengthen circulation, and support cellular repair, You send your body a powerful message. It is safe to heal, it is supported, and it is time to rebuild. There is something incredibly reassuring about knowing that your body wants to heal. It is not resisting you. It is not working against you. It is ready every moment to respond to the nourishment you provide. Natural compounds found in green tea, ginger tea, and hibiscus tea strengthen the inner lining of your blood vessels, calm inflammation, and improve oxygen flow to your muscles. These changes may not be visible at first, but they are happening layer by layer. When you replace fear with action, when you shift from worry to feeding your biology, you unlock biological pathways that restore energy, flexibility, and strength. Imagine taking that first sip of warm tea in the morning, something so simple, and knowing that inside your body, blood vessels are relaxing, inflammation is dropping, and your cells are receiving the exact support they need to work efficiently. This is how healing begins, quietly, steadily, and powerfully. Many people underestimate the influence of small nutritional choices because they expect immediate, dramatic results. But your biology works through consistency and gentle reinforcement. Each time you choose nourishment, you give your cells the raw materials they need to recover. Your muscles repair more smoothly. Your circulation becomes stronger. Your energy levels stabilize. Even your mood improves because your brain receives better blood flow and healthier signaling. You may begin noticing that the heaviness in your legs becomes lighter, your steps feel more confident, and the stiffness that once slowed you starts to ease. This is not coincidence. It is your biology responding to what you feed it. When you support your body from within, it brings you strength from the outside. Fear, on the other hand, slows healing, it raises stress hormones, tightens blood vessels, and interferes with the natural repair systems your body relies on. But when you replace fear with action, choosing foods, teas, and habits that nourish your biology, you create an environment where your body can thrive. Think about the last time you made a healthy choice. Maybe it was adding ginger to your routine, drinking green tea in the afternoon, or choosing a calming hibiscus tea before bed. In that moment, you were not just drinking a beverage, you were giving your body a signal of renewal. You were telling your cells to wake up, your blood vessels to open, and your inflammation to calm down. These small signals add up, and over time, they create meaningful change in your strength and energy. Your body does not respond to fear, it responds to nourishment, and when you consistently feed it the right ingredients, you begin to feel the shift. Your breathing deepens, your muscles warm up, your legs gain power, your mornings become easier. This is the true power of supporting your biology from within. It brings back the vitality you thought was fading. It restores the strength you thought was gone. And it reminds you that healing is not only possible, it is always available when you choose to nourish your body with intention. Strong legs mean a strong life because the power in your lower body influences every part of your independence, mobility, and confidence. Your legs carry you through your day, support your posture, and stabilize every movement you make. When your legs are strong, you feel grounded, capable, and in control. But when your legs weaken, even simple tasks, standing from a chair, climbing stairs, or walking for a few minutes, begin to feel like challenges. What many people don't realize is that leg strength is not just a physical measurement. It is a reflection of your internal health. When circulation improves, when inflammation lowers, and when your muscles receive proper nourishment, your legs regain the strength that supports your entire lifestyle. This is why focusing on leg power is one of the most important gifts you can give your body as you age. There is a moment in everyone's life when they notice a shift. Maybe their steps slow down or their legs feel heavier than before. But what most seniors don't know is that this change is not permanent. The body is incredibly responsive even later in life. With targeted nourishment and improved blood flow, the legs can regain power, flexibility, and stamina. Imagine waking up in the morning, standing up with ease, and feeling your legs support you without hesitation. That sense of stability is not only physical, it boosts your confidence, your mood, and your willingness to stay active. Strength in the legs translates into strength in life. It allows you to participate in the moments you care about, walking with family, running errands, or simply enjoying a long day without fatigue. When you nourish your legs, you nourish your independence. The muscles in your legs rely heavily on oxygen-rich blood, healthy arteries, and reduced inflammation to perform well. That's why teas that support circulation and muscle repair can make such a meaningful difference. When natural compounds from ingredients like green tea, ginger, and hibiscus enter your bloodstream, they help open your blood vessels, relax your arteries, and increase the flow of oxygen to your lower limbs. These internal changes may be invisible, but the results are not. Suddenly, your walk feels smoother, your balance improves, your steps feel lighter. You may notice that you can walk longer distances without stopping. This is how the body responds when its biology is supported. It rewards you with strength where you need it most. There's something incredibly inspiring about the way your body tries to protect you. Even when your legs feel tired or stiff, your muscles are still working hard to support you. They are waiting for the right nourishment to rebuild and grow stronger. When you provide that support, whether through better nutrition, improved hydration, or circulation boosting teas, your muscles respond quickly. They repair more efficiently, contract more smoothly, and hold your body with greater stability. These changes don't require intense workouts or heavy exercises. They begin with improved blood flow and healthier muscle function. Simple, natural changes that create powerful improvements. The body does not age out of strength. It simply needs the right support to activate it again. Think about what strong legs allow you to do. They let you stay active. They help you maintain balance and prevent falls. They give you the freedom to move without fear or hesitation. They even support your heart and your metabolism by keeping you physically engaged. Most importantly, strong legs give you confidence, the confidence to move, to explore, to stay connected to life. When your legs grow stronger, everything in your daily routine becomes easier. You feel more capable, more energetic, more empowered. That sense of empowerment is one of the most valuable parts of maintaining leg strength because it influences your mental and emotional well-being just as much as your physical health. Your legs are the foundation of your body, and when you strengthen the foundation, everything built upon it becomes stronger too. By improving circulation, reducing inflammation, and supporting muscle repair, you give your legs the tools they need to regain their natural power. And once your legs begin to feel stronger, your entire life expands. You move with freedom, you think with clarity, and you live with more energy and optimism than before. So I want you to remember this. Getting older doesn't mean slowing down. Your body is capable of renewal. Every sip of these teas is an investment in your strength, vitality, and independence. Green tea boosts your metabolism. Ginger tea warms your circulation. Hibiscus tea protects your arteries. 3 simple choices, 1 powerful transformation. Start with 1 cup a day. Let your body feel the difference. And remind yourself your best years are not behind you, they are ahead of you. Because when you support your biology supports you back.